the Black Sea, in Bulgarian coastal waters near the town of Burgas. This is where the preparation activities for construction of the South Stream offshore pipeline begin, the world's largest offshore pipeline. Bringing this complex technical project to life means that 4 pipelines of 931 kilometers must be laid on the seabed. It requires around 300,000 individual 12-meter pipe sections like this one. Each pipe section is a technological work of art. More than 100 pipe samples from the world's leading manufacturers were examined and tested by South Stream Transport, the company responsible for building the South Stream offshore pipeline. Following qualifications, 4 companies were contracted to deliver pipes for the first 2 lines across the Black Sea. Europipe, a German manufacturer, 2 Russian producers, Izhora Pipe Mill and Vorixa Steelworks, and a consortium of Marubeni Itochu and Sumitomo from Japan. Their experience and high-quality standards make it possible to manufacture and deliver this huge volume of equipment to the assembly site on time and according to the right specifications. The South Stream will run along the bed of the Black Sea in 4 stretches of 75,000 pipes each. The weight of a single pipe is around 9 tons. The diameter is 81 centimeters, and the pipe walls are 39 millimeters thick. But before it's laid, the pipe first has to be made. The strongest, yet at the same time malleable steel is needed when manufacturing subsea gas pipes. That is why special attention is paid to the chemical composition and microstructure of the steel during the casting of the metal slabs. Next, the steel is treated in furnaces at temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees centigrade. Then the metal slabs are pressed into sheets of exactly the right size for the pipe segments. Now we have a steel plate that is ready for molding. Vorixa Steelworks uses a powerful 12-step press to bend the sheets into tubular shape. Europipe performs the molding in 2 steps using a so-called U-press first, followed by the O-press. Next, the pipe is welded along its entire length, both on the inside and outside, using multiple wire welding technology. Special equipment keeps the welding area entirely free of air. After welding, the quality of work is checked using ultrasonic and hydraulic testing. The pipe and the weld must withstand pressure exceeding 420 bar. That's 1.5 times higher than the maximum operational requirements of the future gas pipeline. The pipe joint is almost ready for shipment. The finishing touch is applying the polymer insulating layer. This composition was developed specially for the offshore section of South Stream. During this process, the pipe undergoes a thermal aging procedure that increases its strength so it can withstand the severe pressure encountered when laying the pipeline in the deep waters of the Black Sea. The finished pipe sections are sent from the plant directly to storage facilities at the Bulgarian ports of Varna and Burgas. And from there, a ship delivers them to a special pipe-laying vessel. When the first line is complete, nearly 16 billion cubic meters of gas can be transported to Bulgaria via South Stream each year. This amount of gas would be enough to provide almost 10 million homes in Europe with energy.